Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring TunnelBear, a popular VPN service found at TunnelBear.com. This platform offers a user-friendly approach to online privacy and security, making it a compelling option for both novice and experienced users. TunnelBear's website is designed with simplicity in mind, providing clear and concise information about its features and benefits. They emphasize ease of use, highlighting their intuitive interface and straightforward setup process. TunnelBear boasts a global network of servers, allowing users to connect from various locations worldwide and access geo-restricted content. They market their service as a reliable solution for bypassing censorship and protecting your online activity from prying eyes. The website details their pricing plans, offering both free and paid options to cater to different needs and budgets. The free tier provides a limited amount of data, while the paid subscriptions offer unlimited data and access to more server locations. Security is a key focus, and TunnelBear emphasizes their commitment to protecting user data through strong encryption and a strict no-logging policy. They clearly outline their security protocols and practices on their website, instilling confidence in their users. TunnelBear also emphasizes its commitment to transparency, publishing regular security audits and maintaining open communication with its user base. Visuals play a significant role in their website design, with playful bear imagery used throughout to create a friendly and approachable brand identity. This light-hearted approach helps to demystify the often complex world of VPNs and make the service more accessible to a wider audience. The website also features testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, further reinforcing their credibility and trustworthiness. Overall, TunnelBear's website effectively communicates the value proposition of their VPN service, highlighting its ease of use, robust security features, and global server network.